For $99, these headphones have noise cancelling, 50 hours of battery life, and some other cool features. So today we're going to be unboxing it. These headphones are called the Soundcore Space One and were recently released by Anker's sound division called Soundcore. In terms of price, they sit between the old Q30s and the recently released Q45s. Right now they cost about $100, but if you click on the links in the description, you can check out Amazon and Anker's website where they may have sales once in a while. So make sure to check those out to see if there's any good deals around. These headphones come in 3 colors: black, cream, and this sky blue color, which is the one I went for. The best color to go for is black because it hides dirt the easiest out of all of these other headphones. Because of the light colors, they will show dirt much easier. So as you can see inside the headphone, there is this black thing that is a sensor. So whenever you take off the headphones, they will automatically pause whatever you're playing. Then when you put them back on, it will automatically resume. You can of course turn this on or off inside of the Soundcore app. Then in the box, you also get a Type A to Type C cable, a 3.5 to 3.5 aux cable, and this fabric bag. So in the last week of owning these headphones, I have never used this bag. The headphones can also be folded inwards to make them smaller so they can fit in the bag more easily. The cups also swivel for a better fit. Now, one thing I like about Soundcore headphones is that the power on and power off sounds are beeps. That's so much better than having some Chinese ladies scream at you in broken English. Then in terms of ports, you get USB Type-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So when you plug these in through the headphone jack, you can still access noise cancelling. So that's a good positive from Anker. Here is me wearing the headphones. So the headphones are the over-ear design. They sit around your ear. Now the cups of these headphones are not that big. The ear cup can still touch your ear a bit, so if you have big ears, that may be a bit of a concern. However, for me, these headphones have been comfortable so far. You also get LDAC support if you like having high quality audio. When it comes to the noise cancelling, there are 5 different modes of noise cancelling. You can have it very weak or very strong. And you also get transparency mode, which also can be adjusted from weak to strong. There's also a feature where if you touch the left part of the headphones, transparency mode will turn on, and then when you let go, it'll turn off automatically. The battery life has also been pretty good from my experience. I've only had to charge these once so far. Even then, I don't bother to turn off these headphones when I take them off. They already turn off automatically after about half an hour, or you can change how long it takes before they turn off. The sound quality is not exactly amazing, however it's good enough, and I do enjoy listening to music and podcasts while wearing these headphones. So if you are interested in these headphones, you can click on the link in the description to go check these out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.